Hello friends, today I am going to show you the surgical video of epitarsial cyst removal. This video combines actual live surgical steps of removal of epitarsial cyst in a 55-year-old female. The cyst has developed over a period of 3 years with gradual increase in size. Patient was concerned with cosmetic appearance. It is performed under local anesthesia, so it is important to understand nerve blocks and bony landmarks. 1 cc of anesthetic is injected. Infratrochlear and frontal nerve is given by entering the point midway between medial canthal tendon and the trochlea along the superior medial orbital rim. A horizontal upper eyelid crease incision is given parallel to the lid margin. A thorough knowledge of the orbital anatomy is required for performing simple as well as complex orbital procedures. After dissecting the skin and orbicularis muscle, the cyst is separated from the other structures. If required, the hemostasis can be achieved with electrocautery. See how nicely the cyst has been separated from the other structures. So we can see it is on the tarsals below the orbicularis muscle. Care must be taken not to puncture the cyst until it is completely separated till its base. The complete removal is absolutely necessary, otherwise recurrences are quite common in epitarsial cysts. See how nicely the cyst is separated. Now we can appreciate the base very clearly. So see, this white creamy fluid has came out. So this base is dissected, has incised with the scissors. So now the cyst has been removed. Excess skin may be excised. Now the structures are closed in layers. First, muscle is closed with 80 or 60 vicryl or polyglycol or absorbable sutures. Then coming to skin, then skin is closed with the same absorbable sutures, interrupted absorbable sutures, 60 or 80 vicryl or catgut. Now the skin is closed. The surface is cleaned with povidone iodine to maintain a sepsis. Patient is patched for 4 to 6 hours and patient is given topical antibiotic or betadine solution for 1 week, and patient is given anti-inflammatory and antibiotic for 4 to 5 days. These are post-op results after 1 week. Thanks for watching.